Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in CapCut PC, similar to those viral short animation videos. Let's begin. First, open your CapCut PC, then go ahead, add your video clip to the timeline, go to text, and just add any default text you would like to integrate in your video. So, just going to put detective and make some adjustments like the font before we animate this. I'm going to adjust the font size and the color should be uh, yellow for me. Then also make some adjustments in here on how long you would like the your text will be present in your video. Then by selecting your default text, go to the animation part over here under loop or out. Just go ahead, select any animation style you like. For example, I will choose this animation style. You can also make some adjustments on where you would like to place this clip or the text and adjust the speed right over here. So I'm going to make it longer and this will make the fire effect slower. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.